Hi everyone, so I have received an email from Coinbase. Get your new Coinbase card. I do have my card, but apparently this is new thing what is happening. I received a couple days back. So starting today, Coinbase card holders can access the upgrade Coinbase card experience. Now you can spend cash or crypto with 0% spending fees. Yay! Sign me up for that on all the purchases and easily manage your cards from within the Coinbase app. That's good because it was before like Coinbase card app. I will show you in one more video. So yeah, to allow you to update your saved payments information, but you have to do it in the next 60 days. So you have to activate it because if you do not activate your new Coinbase card by following the instruction within the next 60 days, you will no longer have access or be able to use your Coinbase card. So we have to do it. So to activate your new Coinbase card, what do you have to do? It's simple things. You have to download the latest version of the Coinbase mobile app if not already installed, so you have to do upgrade. Log in with your existing account on the mobile app. Tap the Coinbase card icon on the home. Confirm your address. Accept the blah blah blah. New terms and agreement. Upcoming benefits. No more fees. One app, one account. That's perfect. Spend your way. Get your card. So there's just some kind of information. So let me just record other video for you as well. What I was spending, let's say in Lithuania. So this is my Coinbase app, especially directly made for students. So I show how to use the card. So this is not my actual account. But if you are in your mobile app, I'm actually in mobile app and you see Coinbase card. So we click on it, spend cash on crypto anywhere with no fees. Dedicated phone and email support, no credit checks, annual fees, or staking requirements, 0% spent. And I believe like you can get even cash back. So let's go ahead and just get started. When I press continue, it was my mailing information, what I don't want to share with you guys. So this is when they show you your mailing and residential address, what is the same or it might be different. So double check it. So when you click continue, so this is legal disclosure. So we did it. So active and verifying your info. So welcome to Coinbase card. You can use your card today online or in your phone digital wallet. You'll receive your physical card in 2 to 3 weeks. We press continue. Meet your new best friend. Yay! Spend euros or crypto. With Coinbase card, you can spend euros or any crypto in your account. You can change what you're spending anytime. So you can choose spending euros and spend crypto. So we're gonna press spend crypto. Zero crypto spending fees. With Coinbase card, you can spend crypto anywhere. Visa debit cards are accepted with zero crypto spending fees. Spread still applies. Spending is like selling. At the end of the year, you will help you with taxes on any crypto you spend. So let's do it. So this is like perfect video for my video what I was making, just now about how to buy food. So this is the thing. So you can choose continue with USD. So you can choose what would you like to spend. So this is kind of limited things. So you can choose anything. So I will choose probably USD coin, continue with USD. But you can choose euros as well. So it's many what you can choose. So yeah, let's continue with this. I believe afterwards you can change. You're now spending USD coin. Your current, okay, it's 0, but it's done. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Yay, that's good. And when you receive, you can activate your card. You can change asset, so you always can change it. And set the pin for ATMs, lock the card. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. So now you can buy your groceries with euros, like with fiat or with crypto. Yay! Bye!